Remove duplicates from a sorted vector. Write a function to remove duplicates from a sorted std vector end using std unique. So first of all, we will include our preprocessor directives, which is hash include iostream for input output function C in Cout, then hash include vector to have the access of the vector containers, and hash include algorithm because the function unique is under STL algorithm, so we have to include that too. Then the line using namespace std to avoid writing prefix before every STL function. Then let's call it remove duplicates, and then I'll pass my vector as a reference here. Vector int, pass it by reference, and let's call it vec. Then we will call the function unique. But first of all, we will understand it. So unique basically, if it's a, let's say this is the vector we are using unique on. So first of all, it will move all the unique elements forward like this, 3, 4, 5, and the remaining spaces will be garbage values or unknown values. Okay, so the unique basically returns us the memory address of the last element of the unique values or the unique vector. So it will give us the pointer of 5 in this case. Then we will have to erase this so that we get the proper vector of unique values. So let's call it last because it's a pointer. Then unique. We will give the range here vector dot begin to vector dot end. Okay. Now we will have to erase the elements which are not unique or the one which stores garbage value. So we will use vector dot erase from last till vector dot end, remove everything. Then we will declare our main function int main, declare our vector of integers, let's call it vec. And since the question says use a sorted vector, so we will use a sorted vector 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we will call our function, pass vector as argument, and then we will print it using const integer, pass it by reference, nums of vector cout nums with some spaces, and then return 0.